Guys, it is almost time for me to go inside. Let me walk this way, you can see it better. Look at that. And then the dark clouds in the back. Yeah, so excited. We're going in.
The early stars of our cosmos were enormous. Hundreds, even thousands of times larger and brighter than your Terran sun. Many of these stars grew hotter and denser until they exploded, creating new stars in a cycle that lasted more than 1 billion years. Over time, the remnants of these explosions began to swirl and coalesce into planets in your solar system and ours. You Terrans named our galaxy Andromeda, and yours, according to Peter Quill, after a Terran dairy drink. I am still trying to comprehend you Terrans and your terms, but find Milky Way a curious choice. Among the newly formed stars at the end of the spiral arm of your Milky Way is a star which you call Sun. Our planet, Xandar, orbits around not one, but 3 stars or suns.
Oh no. Well, here's the thing. Because it's so long, they don't allow any weights. It's a virtual view. It's long. So we got in the virtual view.
And despite the vast distance between us, our 2 galaxies are actually moving closer to each other. In just 4 billion years, they will merge with a gravitational force that will bind them together. Imagine Terrans and Xandarians forever connected, though we have in fact been related from the start, born of the same stardust at the dawn of time.
Biofuels in our waterways, and algae clusters scattered throughout the city. 2 giant dams bridge our main canal and generate hydropower for factories and technology centers. Even our citizens generate energy as they travel across inverse roadways and pedestrian paths. Getting around Xandar could be easier. Our solar trains
Yes, everything we do on Xandar is done with the goal of being a better way of life.
I was fortunate to secure this. I am absolutely thrilled to speak with the leader of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the cosmic generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT-tarians. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Very similar to Xandarian's ancient work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheer Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Then what do you think,
Is that
Token?
all he's
Perhaps that really big man outside your
That's
ship.
literally his only role.
That is a big man. I need to alert
That's
Nova
it.
Prime.
This is other thing about Groot, I think.
Watching Terrans for eons.
That's not very good.
This species has failed.
Hey, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Long time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. We broken the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. this planet of Guardians doesn't stand a chance.
Wait.
What? You said what? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. Could this day get any worse? It's right there too. All over there.
We got two big groups of friends in the middle of
Yeah, because we ditched you last time. Your stomach holding in all the time.
Yeah. Everything goes fast, so.
Right
I'm
away.
not disappointed. I love drops. I love them. I don't know. I just love them.
Yeah.
You're in SeaWorld, right?
Yeah.
You go on makeup?
It's my favorite. The
That's
Chick-fil-A.
like good to know.
Yeah. So I have to hold stuff at my feet. I have to hold stuff here. We should be good. If you see anything flying, grab it.
I'll do my best.
It's fine. Right in the middle of it.
Some guy caught a phone on a roller coaster, so I mean, I can probably catch something. Maybe.
It's true. It depends on how fast this goes. I don't know what song we'll get.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Not yet. Well, okay, lock onto your vehicles. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
We got the generator.
Jax, it's an honorary title. We're not going to with us. I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?
All right, let's go in the shop. kind of like the same stuff that they had already.
I'll pay for it.
Look at Groot! Ah! I love him. I want him. That's cool. Let's go outside because it's cooled down. Oh, that was so much fun. It probably got blurry, guys. I'm so sorry if it got blurry.